So you're ready to apply to study at Coast Mountain College. We're here to help you through those steps today. Once you're on our main page of our website, please go to the center here for the Apply Today button. And over on the right hand side here, when you are ready to apply after checking our lists, please click on Apply Now. This will take you to our EducationPlannerBC portal, which is used for all post-secondary institutions within BC, and it's your gateway to education pathways throughout the province. If you are new to Education Planner BC, please select Sign Up. If you are returning, you can log into your previous account. The first step in the process will be to enter your personal information. This includes your details such as first name, middle name, and last name, as well as any other names that you would like to go by when you attend college here, and any other former last names you might have had. We also require your date of birth, and the country of birth is optional. Gender identity is up to you to include, and you are welcome to change your personal details at any time through the registrar's office during your studies with us. Once you're ready with this information, you can hit the Save button down below, and you'll move on to contact information. Coast Mountain College primarily reaches out to you by email, so please ensure that all of your personal email information is very accurate. We also do use your mailing address once you have finished your studies with us, and we can send you transcripts and credentials through there. So please make sure that you have an accurate mailing address, telephone number, and email address as you go through this process. It is also very helpful to have an emergency contact for us as well. It can be anyone that you feel comfortable with being contacted for that. And then you can save. Your final step for creating your profile is updating your academic history. You can list your high school and post-secondary information for anywhere that you've attended in the past, with the dates attended and highest level completed. Excellent. So once you're ready to start applying to Coast Mountain, you will find us right here. Select that option, and you will find important information for applicants in the first box here before creating your application, and we will use this to convey any important details before you apply for programming at Coast Mountain. Your first step is to select your program. So based on your home location, EPBC will determine if you are a domestic or international applicant, and that will be the first step that you confirm as you apply. The next step is for you to tell us when you'd like to study with us. Then we'll follow with the program area of choice. So if you are interested in business, open studies, this is where we would select that here. And from there, we go into our specific offerings within that program umbrella. So we do have our open studies as well as other program requirements here, or other programs here. You will find some information about your choice there as well. And then following that, we have the campus. This particular program is available at 3 of our campuses. Some programs may not be available at all campuses, and you will have to really look at where it's located before you select that option. So please be mindful of that as you are selecting your programs. Once you've made your choice, click Save. And for additional information required, we do ask for you to declare if you're full-time or part-time. It's optional. You can also let us know how you heard about applying at Coast Mountain College. You do have an option to inform us if you need additional services while you're with us. That's available here, yes or no. And if you will be potentially sponsored during your time here, you are welcome to include that information on your application as well. Once the extra information is completed, you can save. You have to do that. We'll save once more, and you're ready to review and submit. At Coast Mountain College, we do not have an application fee for our domestic students, so you'll select no charge. Furthermore, the rest of this page is simply confirming the information that you have sent in to us is accurate and ready to be assessed by our team. So make sure that you've clicked all your checky boxes at the bottom to ensure that your application can be submitted properly and that you have a full understanding of our privacy laws in BC. Now you're ready to submit your application. Thank you for submitting your application to Coast Mountain College. You will receive an email to your personal account with your reference number and your first steps there. After we've received your application, we will reach out to you within 2 to 3 business days about the status of your application. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.